Hello everyone, this is Ila Anant Acharya. Welcome to my podcast Sangrila with Ila Anant Acharya. So now I'm going to start with the basic teachings about laws of universe. So in today's episode I will be defining what is law of attraction. So this reference I am taking from the book Law of Attraction by Esther Hicks and Jerry Hicks. They are a very famous coaches or mentors throughout the world, and they are teaching law of attraction in the entire world. So referring to them, what they say is that law of attraction is that which is like unto itself is drawn. Birds of a feather flock together. So when we say that quote, or when we say that thought, it is like you are actually talking about the law of attraction. And in a very simple term, it is said that like attracts like. Simple definition of law of attraction. So whatever you are thinking about, whatever you are focusing, that will come into your life. So everything in your life and the lives of those around you is affected by the law of attraction. It is basis of everything that you see manifesting. It is the basis of everything that comes into your experience. An awareness of the law of attraction and an understanding of how it works is essential to living life on purpose. So, to help you live a life which is magical, which you can say it's my dream life, which you can say I'm living the life to the fullest, or all that thing which you want in your life, which are good for you, which you are dreaming. It can be health, wealth, success, relationship, anything you think about. Then law of attraction, the use of law of attraction, the understanding of law of attraction, and the application of law of attraction in your life is definitely going to help you. So today, with this just basic introduction about law of attraction, I'm going to say that it has changed my life. In 2010, when I have came across this concept about law of attraction, I can say that it has changed my life 360 degree, and I want the same for you all also. So in whatever situation you are, in whichever position you are, whatever conditions around you, it can be changed. So I'll help you to move forward. I'll help you to live your life to the fullest, and I can say that life is easy. And if you will it is like if you are going to play a game, and if you know the rules of that game, then it is very much easy for you to play that game, and you can win in that game. So this life is also a kind of a game which you can play with all the fun, with all the energy, with all the all things which you would love to have. But only thing is that we should know the proper rules, we should know where to stop and where to start, and what to do and what not to do. So I'm really very much excited to share all these concepts to you, and thank you so much for listening to my podcast. And please, if you have not gone through the previous, which were introduction, you will come to know that how it has changed my life. Please go through the previous episodes also. Thank you so much.